color, blue color, green color, purple color, red color, orange color, soft pink color, sky blue color. Let's color the alphabets and numbers. Pink color. A for apple. A. Pink color. Red color. B. Red color. B. B for ball. Green color. C. We are coloring the C. Orange color. Number 1. Number 1. Yellow color. 2. We are coloring number 2. 2. Brown color. 3. We are coloring the number 3. 3. A, B, C, number 1, number 2, number 3. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.